Hi there. In this demonstration, we will be testing water for free chlorine residual. The color disc test can determine the amount of free chlorine residual in a water sample and is most accurate in samples with low turbidity. That is, samples that do not have solid particulates, such as dirt suspended in the water. DPD powder is added to the sample. This chemical, DPD, turns the water pink if chlorine is present. Make sure the DPD packet is labeled free chlorine, not total chlorine.
To conduct free chlorine testing, you will need a Hatch testing kit, which includes a color disc, a color comparator box, 2 test tubes, DPD powder packets for free chlorine, scissors, a timer or stopwatch, a cell phone for taking photos, and a light source, such as a lamp or the sun. To ensure the color comparator is set up correctly, refer to the manufacturer's instructions inside the Hatch testing kit. Now that we have set up the color wheel correctly, we're ready to begin testing. Before testing, make sure your phone is in your pocket so that you can successfully take a photo at the end of the test. If the aquatab flow is installed at the inlet of a tank, locate the outflow tap that is nearest to the tank. This could be a tap located directly on the tank or a tap within the healthcare facility. Turn on the tap and flush for 30 seconds. Collect flushed water into a bucket. This water can be used for other purposes so as not to waste water. After flushing the tap, rinse the 2 test tubes in the Hatch kit 3 times with water flowing out of the tap. After rinsing, fill 1 tube with water to the first line. Close this tube and place it in the left opening of the color comparator box. Take the second tube and fill it with water to the first line. Empty water is needed to make sure the water reaches the first line. Add 1 DPD packet to the second tube. Make sure the DPD packet is labeled free chlorine, not total chlorine. Close the second tube and gently swirl it for 5 seconds. After swirling, put the second tube into the color comparator box. Hold the color comparator box in front of a light source and spin the color disc until the color of test tube 1 matches the color of test tube 2 containing the DPD reagent. Next, take a photo of the Hatch testing kit while holding it up to the light. It is important to note that the photo must be taken within 30 seconds to 1 minute of adding the DPD reagent, so you must work quickly after putting the DPD reagent in the test tube. When taking the photo, please make sure both test tube windows and the number wheel are in the picture. After taking the photograph, please upload it into Survey CTO. We would like to thank our partners from the team in Tanzania, PATH Seattle, and the CDC for their efforts on these activities. We look forward to continuing our collaboration.